bells ring through the air. Ring-a-ling, jing-ling, here and there. Little Bear's gift is a honeycomb to eat. Munchity, munchity, what a nice treat. Baby Bunny gets carrots. She is happy for those. Hoppity, hoppity, and away she goes. Redbird loves the berries that Santa Bear brings. Tweedly tweet, he whistles and sings. Little Fawn gets some flowers from Santa Bear. Nibbledy nibble, some to eat, some to wear. The ferns deck the tree. What a glorious sight. Twinkly, twinkle, the stars shine so bright. Santa Bear's sleigh bells ring through the